G'day guys, Dave and me, we're at Talbot and we're doing some tests and it is a little bit wet. Oh God, the wind is actually shaking the camera. You see it going like that. And just as soon as I turned the camera on, it just got windy. And we've had a few distant lightning strikes, we can tell, and the detectors make a bit of a noise, but yeah. So anyway, this is our spot here. I'll do it slow so you don't get car sick. So we've got a fair few detectors to test, and I don't think I'll just leave this here. I'm going to move it down into the test pit. I'll make sure the camera's all nice and tight, so I'll walk down there into the test pit. Now last time we did it from the other side of the bank there, didn't we? Didn't do it in the actual pit, but it doesn't make much difference because you got the audio anyway.
Oh, whatever works.
Yeah, okay, we'll stick it down here. We had to clean this up a bit. As you can see, the pipes are sticking out. The banks are starting to erode, and that is a bit of a problem. And we've lost one of our pipes. It's disappeared, but that's no big deal. We might have to come out here for borer and run some more holes. It's pretty easy. There's enough bank here. Look at it, it's huge. This was a big reef that was taken out right here, and if you look closely, if it's not covered up, you can see the quartz, part of the quartz reef. It's probably a little stringer come off the reef, and it's right there. You can see the little dig above and a little dig below. That's all a big band of quartz there. So who knows, it might have gold in it, might not too. Maybe all that stuff's very fine. So okay, we'll put this over here. Excuse me, I'll just kick the tripod. We'll see if I get things level here. I don't know if that's a good angle, is it? What do you think?
Well,
I mean,
depends. If we're doing the tests up top, you might not see them, but you'll see the holes.
well, you can do that. How's that?
What if you do this ultra wide? Will that make it?
No, it'll probably turn off the video.
Oh, okay.
How about if I put the tripod on the bank and then it's just a big view?
Yeah, it makes more sense.
Okay, we'll do that. I'll go and put this on the other bank and then zoom it in. So hopefully I don't go A over T walking up here. Okay, I think this is where we did previous videos and had it set up like this. So now I've got to put that down. Okay. As you can see, we've got 3 holes in the bank. It's very hot ground here too, by the way. It's not mild, and yeah, that'll do. That's good. That's good. That'll work. So get round to the other side. Now we're trying this detector here, which is a GPX 5000 that's had the works done to it, and we're getting some pretty good results, but we can show the results again easy enough. I'll just turn the amplifier up this time. Yeah. Now I'll just ground balance him. Okay, we've got full gain. We're in normal mode, and I have the variable frequency. Oops, targets. The variable frequency is set to 0, which is huge, big, long pulses. Yeah. I'll just get it. Don't put it under the. I'll just go properly ground balance it. That's a bit too loud. It's distorting. So. It's a bit reactive around here. But over here, it's not so. Anyway, over here, was roughly, I think I'm about right in the right spot.
Yep.
We can hear that quite easily, and that target is,
Oh, it's just,
it's a piece of squashed up, what is it? Oh, it's just a can.
yeah.
It's just a bit of squashed up can. Don't know the size.
Well,
well, whatever it is.
atypical crush
but
can.
that's on zero.
Yeah.
Zero frequency, which is the lowest frequency we can get these to before it becomes ridiculous and they won't ground balance. But on this as well, I'll just kill the audio while I do this because you know they scream. So that's on manual tune of 0. Now you've got to remember the manual tune is modified, it's not standard. Okay, so I'll take him up to 120. Or actually 120, no, 136. There you go, or 140, there you go. Okay, so it's at 140. Now let me ground balance it. As soon as you change the frequency, you got to ground balance all the time. Now you got to remember, I'm running this full gain, and this is really hot ground, and we're in normal mode. It's asking a lot, but anyway, we'll see how it goes. No problem. Nice clear signal. So, I'll turn the audio down. Let's go up the top end. I'm going to take this up. Take it up to 220 out of the 255 range. We could take it all the way up, but as we get smaller pulses, it's not effective as much as effective on those big targets running small pulses. So this is on 220, and I'll ground balance him again. Yeah, a little bit of noise coming in, but it's okay. Too much audio, it's a bit distorty on that little speaker. Okay, so that's not too bad at those frequencies, and like I say, it's full gain. So can you actually detect this in normal mode? Let's have a look. It's very hot ground here. Normally you would not detect it with that much gain, but it does handle it in normal mode. You know, we could go into enhance and it would be quite quiet. But yeah, off for a bit. That's how deep's that one anyway?
It should be a meter.
I think the bottom hole was 1.2 meters actually. Actually, can you measure it with that ruler? Because that's an extended ruler. You could just mark it on the stick, couldn't you? Yeah, just do it.
Easy enough. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
We'll just mark it out. Yeah.
40, 80. Yeah, so that's from the bottom, the absolute bottom of the hole would be a meter.
It's a meter on the knocker, is it?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And it looks like we've already marked a meter on this stick.
Oh, probably
So,
have to. Yeah.
This is probably smack bang on 40 centimeters, maybe 45 if you include the bottom of the hole.
Yeah.
So half a meter.
Well, most of the targets sit in the bottom of the hole as you push them in and out,
Yeah.
unless or the middle of the hole.
And this one is much of muchness. Really.
Yeah. But yeah, well, we've already done some measurements with this. We've written them down. We could read them out what they are.
Okie dokie.
And this is all done with a standard Commander mono, which I purchased off someone called Butch for $50. Butch, your coil's coming in handy. Well, it was your coil, it's mine now. But yeah, people don't use these sort of coils anymore, but there's nothing wrong with them. They really just work fine.
So anyway, the first readings were the manual tuning was on 255 in hands with full gain running in deep on that coil. So 0.05 is 14 to 15 centimeters. Yep. 0.1 was 19 to 20.
That one there.
And 0.5 was 22 centimeters, and then the brass coin was 30 centimeters. But then you only changed it to normal from enhance, and the 0.05 dropped down roughly 2 centimeters to 12 to 13. Your 0.1 jumps up, it gains a centimeter.
Yep.
And then your 0.5 again jumps up 23, 24, so it's gained 2 centimeters. And the brass coin jumped from 30 centimeters up to like 45.
Yep.
So that one jumped through the roof.
But we don't know what the brass coin is.
I don't know.
Or copper, or whatever it is.
Yes.
It's just some obscure coin that has popped up from somewhere, and we're using it as a test target.
I've used it in my workshop for years.
Now, shall we try this detector with a big coil on it, like a 20 or a 25?
Probably. Makes most sense.
We'll try a 20-inch.
Yeah.
20-inch mono.
Well, the signal change between the frequencies on that coil with this crushed can didn't change all that much. It was like so with a bigger coil, it should be more.
Well, it should be punchy as.
Yeah.
But it's amazing that if you have a look at the size of this thing, if we hold it up to the camera, so I'll put it near the detector so you get an idea the size of it. It's just a crushed can. It's not very big overall, and yeah, with a 12-inch coil, you get that at a meter, quite easy. No big effort there. And on the other end, I think it was a 50-cent piece. Anyway, we've got it all written down. We're just making notes. We've got I don't know, probably 8 detectors to test. So we're going to test each one. And we've got a 20-inch coil coming. This is a 20-inch nugget finder. Has that already got a stick on it? Oh, beauty. Okay. There we go. Whoops. Okay. No, hearing things. I thought I heard the detector start up.
Same.
Yeah, I heard doodle-lip. Well, what was it?
It's probably a bird.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Click, first notch. This is a 20 mono. Just an advantage, not a flat wind or anything. Oops, went the wrong way. Gee, it's awkward doing this, isn't it? Ah, dear me. It's like dealing with a snake. Okay, round you go, just stick it on there. Got a bit of dust in it now, oh, not to worry. Okay, 20-inch. We'll see if it handles the hot ground here. Okay. A lot of ants and things running around here at the moment, but there we go. Not a very good job on the coil cable, but anyway, it's quickened. Well, it does ground balance, but what are we going to try?
Well, what have we got?
We've got some lightning around the place by sounds of it.
So, what are the settings?
Okay, Manual tune is 220. You can hear the noise. It's in, well, you know, normal timings, deep. Actually, this could be picking up these again. Hang on. Hang on. No, I think it might be picking up lightning. We got a lot of cloud above us, and it spits. It's been spitting with rain a bit, but we'll see. It is quieter on the ground. I'll point it towards the sky. That way and that way, so I don't know. Yeah, that way. That way. The camera's over there. We're probably running way too much gain, but anyway, we'll just see what happens. Anyway, where are we? Somewhere there?
Yeah.
Well, that's obviously a booming signal on that.
Yeah.
We could probably get
deeper
above.
pipe.
I just might turn the gain down a little bit. Try it now. I'll just turn the gain down.
Okay.
Okay, there we go. It's about 3/4 gain. No problem. Turn the gain right off. There you go, no gain. Don't really need to ground balance it, no gain, but so you can hear that quite easy at 0 gain. And the detector is quiet as a mouse. So you can actually detect anywhere, like it doesn't even make a noise. So, and that's in normal time. Whoops, I just hit a rock. That's in normal timings. So, but I think for memory, these microphones interfere with this. It has before. So any Bluetooth on these detectors tends to, with a big coil especially, upsets them. So, well, that's a big coil test. Can we try? You want to try the 50 cents on it?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, that's what he's already got it.
Yeah.
Well, I think we might need a bit of gain for that. Hang on. Okay, half. Okay, we're running half gain. Normal timings, frequencies 220. So on my standard calculation, the small pulses would be maybe 32 microseconds. Anyway, we'll have a look. Just see how we go. There's a bit of lightning or something there. Hear that?
No
zip
joy
noise.
on these.
Am I lined up properly?
Yeah.
Okay, hang on, I'll keep it still. I can sort of, I'll just put the gain up a bit more. Okay, it's about 3/4. Might be asking way too much.
Well, it's 50 cents.
50 cents, yeah, okay.
But like, I don't know.
Hang on a sec. Shall I go try it on full gain? Okay. Okay, this is completely flat out. We'll just see what happens. I can hear it. Did you hear it?
No.
Try a different speed so you can ride differently on the noise. Go faster, like. It sort of goes a little bit, but you couldn't detect
No.
50-cent pieces. There we go, see? That zap, zap, zap.
But like,
it hates these microphones, I'm sure.
it's close to getting it at the same distance.
Yeah. Okay. Well, that's a GPX 5000 that has had a lot of experimental stuff done to it. So we're going to see how that compares to other ones. So I'll get some more detectors.
Okay.
Okay. Ah, dear. Which ones? Now, I've got a box of detectors here. Whoops. Here we go, is one box of detectors. What I've even got the old no ears. That's as a yardstick. That's not a bad detector actually, that one, but you know, the upgrades and that are getting old now. We've got new stuff that's gone in. But we've got to go back to using the mono. Use a mono. Do you know what I should do? We should break these videos up into smaller.
Yeah, cool.
Otherwise, it's going to be too, prolonged and
No
tedious.
one wants to watch 3 hours straight, surely.
Yeah. Well,
All right, part 1.